Greetings, fellow food enthusiasts. Today we embark on a culinary adventure, a journey to transform a classic Chinese dish into something extraordinary. Join me as we unravel the secrets to creating the best Chinese fried rice with a unique twist. Our story begins with a humble cauliflower, a vegetable on a mission. With a swift transformation in the food processor, it takes on a new identity. Cauliflower rice. It's the perfect canvas for our culinary masterpiece. The story continues with a crisp cucumber. As a knife glides through its green skin, it's like playing the first chord in a culinary melody. Let's move on to the vibrant carrots. The bell peppers and Scotch bonnets, vibrant hues, the onions, the overture to a culinary masterpiece. As a knife dances through the layers, releasing that familiar aroma. The beef, a key player in a savory ballet. Enter the shrimps. As we deliciously chop these little wonders, we unlock a sea of flavors. Now, let's add the eggs, breaking them. Whisking them with a little bit of almond milk into a silky mixture. We have all our ingredients ready. Let the party begin. As our eggs enter the sizzling stage, the kitchen becomes a stage for our culinary drama. As the pot heats up, the onions take center stage. Listen to the sizzling serenade, the beginning of a savory melody. Now, our story takes a maritime turn with the shrimps. These little wonders join the pan, their sizzling sounds harmonizing with the onions, while adding mixtures of spices, salt, thyme, curry, and stock cubes to taste. Enter the beef, our bold ballet dancer. As it hits the hot pan, a searing sound resonates, creating a symphony of rich aromas. Watch as the beef twirls and caramelizes, adding depth to our culinary narrative. The carrots add a satisfying texture, the natural sweetness weaving into the savory tale we're crafting. Our culinary symphony reaches a crescendo with the addition of bell peppers. Their vibrant hues add virtual allure, and the sizzling harmonies become a colorful crescendo. Our tale is now in full swing. Add in your blend of spices to tie up the flavors together. As the cauliflower rice enters the sizzling pan, a symphony of flavors continue. The gentle sautéing brings out its nutty undertones, creating a melody that will soon dance on our taste buds. Salt, pepper, minced garlic are also added to boost its flavor. In comes the caramelized beef, shrimps, cucumbers. As our culinary symphony reaches its crescendo, the fried eggs take the stage for the grand finale, a perfect conclusion to our flavorful masterpiece. And there you have it, the tale of the best Chinese fried rice with a twist. Cauliflower fried rice. A culinary adventure that transforms a classic into a masterpiece. It's a perfect low-carb alternative that doesn't compromise on taste. If you enjoyed this storytelling experience, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your thoughts in the comment below. Until our next culinary journey, I'm Pamela. Happy cooking! Looking so bored out your mind though. You kinda give me the sign, so
Yummy.
conversations became relation. No escaping, heart is taken. I've been waiting, I've been patient. Thought you've been down, heard you skip down and can't be found. Where are you now, baby? Deep down, I know you've been missing me, but you keep being a mystery.